Alright, this is where we are, on our way to Locloc Beach. This is the road. It is some steep road into here. My goodness. That's where we're going, way down to the ocean there. And this back here is kind of we just came across way over there, up all these mountains. It's a beautiful drive, but it is some steep. And somewhere in the jungle over there is where we came across. But there's the sign welcoming you to the barangay of Locloc. So let's keep traveling and get to the beach. All right, we have arrived at the parking area for Locloc Beach. See the ocean over the roofs down there. This is what the parking area looks like. All right, let's get down to the beach. Oh, they got a Biokubo up here at the start on the way into this place. Couldn't have picked a better day for this. Hi. All right, here we go, the beach. Okay, here we go. Here's our spot of the beach for this afternoon. Come check this out. We got a table and chairs, shaded roof. There's the ocean, the beach. We got swing set in the beach. All the way along. All right, time to check out the water. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's like a bathtub. This is so nice. Well deserved after a lot of stuff we've been doing. Finally time for a beach day. All right, time to go and have some swings on the ocean. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this. Okay, this little resort here in Locloc Beach is La Fialia. One thing you do have to realize that when you come here, there's none of the kitchens are open, so bring your own food. It's quite cheap for a day pass. They do have cabins and whatnot to be able to rent. The pool is also included with the day pass. So you either get the swimming pool or you get the ocean. Either or all of it. They got water slides and stuff like that. So yeah, come here. It's busy during the weekends, but come here during the weekdays and you'll probably have it all to yourself. Well, that's it for today's Locloc beach trip. Let's head back home. Go get some lechon manak. Everything is just so lush and green here. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering, that's what it costs for overnight stays, and day tour rate is that. And there's lots of other stuff you can do here as well, boat tours and snorkeling, all kinds of stuff. Well, I see the truck still here. No one stole it. Time to get on the road, head home.